Today we will see how to import a zip from Palma into Nginx or how to create one yourself. Let's start with the creation of a zip from Palma. First, you need to create a new baseline. Some information will be needed to create this new baseline, like the ID of the event you are working on that will be linked to Palma. We can then complete the baseline with your documents. It is now possible to export this baseline. This tab is used to download your zip. Let's see how to import your zip into Nginx. You click on your project, you have to navigate in the tree structure of your project, select the event you want to work on, and click on the Data Package tab. By clicking on the Upload a Package tab, you open the documents on your computer. You select the one you want to import. If the Palma baseline was created without reference to Nginx configuration ID number, you will get this error message. You will have to rename your zip with the event number. Go to the Information tab, copy the event number, and rename your zip with this number. You can try to upload your zip again. You select it. It's uploaded correctly. Once the documents have been uploaded, we will see that their status matches between Nginx and Palma. Indeed, one has a draft status not available to customers and the other has a release status. An error message may appear if there is an error in the CSV or if one of the documents is not physically present in the zip. You will have to correct these elements if you want to import your documents in Nginx. However, if a document with the same version and status tries to be uploaded, it will not delete the previous one. How to construct a zip by yourself? First, your zip must have the same numbers as your event ID under Nginx. After copying this number, you will use it to create a new folder and name it with the ID of your event. You will then be able to put in the folders the documents you want to be in it. They can be put either in the root or in the folders. Your zip should contain a CSV file which must be opened by Notepad++ and named index.csv. In the CSV file, the first line is mandatory and allows you to fill in all the necessary information. First, the reference of your document, its version, its full name, its cage number. If you don't know it, you can leave it NP, like the ICD. However, you will have to leave the enter/ at their place. You must indicate its status. You can choose the status release, which corresponds to the status release in Nginx, or pre-release or in work, which correspond to the status draft in Nginx. Its computer name with the extension specifying the format, for example Word or PDF. The last information is, for example, the subfolder in which it could be stored, but if your document is at the root of your folder, you will leave this location empty. For each document in your zip, it will be necessary to give this information. By clicking on your folder, you can see that you have a Word document with the same name as in your CSV file. By clicking on this other folder, you have this time the PDF document. In order to create your zip, you will have to select all the elements that it should contain. Your zip must be in .zip format and not .7zip, for example. You can now organize yourself as you wish by putting your zip in the right place. Go to Nginx, click on the tape data package, then upload a package, select your zip, and start the upload. Your documents are now in Nginx.